Just outside Bangkok, a typical rice mill in Thailand can process up to 2,000 tons of rice a day. When trucks carrying rice arrive, the first step is to weigh the trucks and check the moisture content of the rice using specialized equipment. Moisture is an important factor. It affects not only the storage ability, but also the price farmers receive. For example, rice with 15% moisture content typically fetches around 11,600 baht per ton. Once the rice has reached the standard, it enters the drying stage. Freshly harvested rice typically has a moisture content of up to 25%, which needs to be dried down to around 15% for safe storage and milling. Mills in Thailand use a clever and environmentally friendly method. They burn the rice husks, the outer shell of the rice grain, to generate heat. The heat from the husks combines with the wind to dry the rice efficiently, saving energy and reusing the byproduct. The burnt husks turn into a fine black ash. Instead of being thrown away, farmers bring this ash back to their fields to reduce the acidity of the soil, a testament to the philosophy of not wasting any part of the rice plant. In Thailand, from the rice grain to the husk, everything is used in a clever and sustainable way. After drying, the rice is transported by conveyor belts to large silos for storage. During peak harvest season, these storage facilities are filled with rice. The milling process begins when dry rice is transferred from the warehouse into silos and large conveyor belts, and finally to a series of machines that perform various separation tasks. The first step is to remove metal objects using metal detectors. The husk is blown away with air pressure, and the rice is then transferred to be separated into brown rice and parboiled rice. Parboiled rice which has not been fully milled is returned through the system. Sprouted brown rice is technically edible, and some people prefer it for its higher nutritional content. However, most consumers want more polished white rice, so brown rice is put through a mill to remove the bran layer. This results in two products, white rice and rice bran. Rice bran is often used to make rice oil or as pig feed. Even broken rice, a byproduct of the milling process, is recycled into noodles, rice porridge, and other processed foods. After the rice is milled to a bright white color, it is sorted again by machine to remove any imperfections. A Japanese-made color sorter ensures that only the most desirable rice makes it to market. The product is then packaged or stored in bulk, depending on buyer demand. The mill sells white rice at 19 baht per kilogram and works almost exclusively with exporters.